Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update payment method on any iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to update your payment method, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable, or if you are connecting to VPN, so you have to try to disable with your VPN. So once you have disabled your VPN, now what you have to do, you have to tap on your Apple ID or your name here. Simply tap on that, and here you have to select the payment and shipping option. And here you have to verify your first self using your Face ID and Apple ID password. And once you have done, you will get this type screen. Here, if you have any payment method added to your account, so you'll find it here, but I haven't any payment methods yet. So if you want to update your payment method, so if you have any payment method here now you want to change, so you have to delete or remove your first, and then you have to add your new payment method here. Or if you haven't any payment method then you want to add, so you have to select the payment method in which you want to add. For example, I have selected the credit or debit card from here, and here you have to enter the number and then enter the CVV, and here's the expires. And once you have that, you have to tap on this done option, and your payment method will be saved to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily update your payment method on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.